Stop chasing a salary and start chasing a number. Most people will slave away until they're 60, but if you knew your financial freedom number today, you could realistically retire in as little as 5 to 10 years. Do you know yours? Let's calculate it. Most of us are stuck in a rat race, working 9 to 5 just to pay for bills, only to repeat the cycle the next month. We are told this is the real world, but as Grant Sabatier's story shows, working a job you hate just to buy things you don't need is a losing game. True wealth isn't about having $1 billion or a luxury car that drains your bank account with EMIs. True wealth is time, mobility, and money combined. Financial freedom means your passive income, money that flows in while you sleep, covers all your living expenses. To escape the grind, you need a target. This is called your financial freedom number. Track your expenses. List everything: rent, groceries, bills, and even your occasional treats. Let's say your monthly expenses are 50,000 rupees. Annualize it. Multiply that by 12. In this case, you need 6 lakhs a year to live. The 25x rule. Experts and authors like Grant Sabatier suggest that you need 25 times your annual expenses invested to be financially free. 6 lakhs rupees times 25 equals 1.5 crore rupees. Once you hit this number and invest it, expecting a safe 4 to 7% return, you can theoretically never work again because the interest will cover your life. Now, where are you today? You must calculate your net worth. Assets, your savings, gold, stocks, and any property that puts money in your pocket. Liabilities, your car loans, credit card debt, and home loans that take money out. Net worth equals total assets minus total liabilities. If your number is low or negative because of debt, don't panic. Use the debt snowball method. Pay off your smallest debts first to gain mental momentum before tackling the big ones. How do you reach that 1.5 crore goal faster? You can't just save your way there. Inflation will eat your cash. You must use 3 levers. The power of compounding. Use the 7-3-2 rule. If you start an SIP today, your first major milestone might take 7 years, but the next comes in 3, and the next in just 2. Cut the show-off tax. Stop buying branded clothes and iPhones on EMI just to impress people you don't even like. Live on less than you earn. Multiple income streams. Don't rely on a single job. Start a side business, try freelancing, or invest in index funds, which are the simplest path to wealth because they invest in the top 50 companies automatically. Retirement isn't an age, it's a financial state. As Jim Rohn said, if you want to be wealthy, study wealth. Start today by calculating your number, automating your investments, and refusing to be a slave to debt. Comment below, what is your financial freedom number? Let's hold each other accountable. Don't forget to like and subscribe GenZ Stickify for more wealth strategies. Thanks for watching.